So you've been experiencing problems with vertigo and dizziness, and you're wondering, do I have a tumor? Today in my video, I'm going to go over that with you and talk about the steps you need to take. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center, and I help people to remove the blockages in their health so they can lead amazing, fantastic lives without drugs and surgery. Vertigo has been a condition that I've helped many people with, and for many people they ask me the question of, is it a tumor that I'm suffering from that's causing my vertigo? Now the answer to this is a little bit complicated because sometimes vertigo or dizziness or off-balanceness can be caused by a tumor, but in many cases it's not. The keys to this is working with the right professionals to wind up figuring out, doing the proper diagnostic tests to understand what's causing and triggering this problem, and to detect if there are any tumors or masses that are involved. The team that typically winds up working on this is someone who is trained in managing vertigo, like a corrective chiropractor. It can also involve a neurologist, a neurosurgeon, to wind up helping to get to the cause of the problem. Now, some of the tests that might be ordered or things that would looked at to understand what do the brain structures look like and are there problems where there may be a mass or tumor developing might be a CT or an MRI of your brain to see what is going on inside. If you've been suffering with these problems, these are some things that you may want to ask for your provider to order for you or to understand why they're not ordering them for you. If you've got more questions, go ahead and write them down below. If you've got more detail, we may need to hop on a discovery call where we can unpack things and figure out what's your next best step to figure out what's going on. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.